I guess this will be part 2. And then, and also anchored, so the little tent here is anchored at the ends, but it's got some freedom of play, you know. I actually decided I cut off a few minutes ago to get at this, but before that, it was anchored as well. And then the top it's anchored here, so you get the full range of slide with it. And when you do when you're fully extended, like when I'm cutting the panels and I'm fully extended out here and I'm starting the chop to run back with it, you are finding some tension in the cloth, but I mean, you know, it's just a little more muscle to do it. But you know, cutting 3 panels at once, you're saving some time doing that. And this is by far the best way to cut these things in half. I thought I would be doing this with, you know, a jigsaw or even a skill saw, but fucking skill saws, man, like, they're great for lopping like dimensional lumber in half, not that neatly or whatever, but like making a straight cut with one of them, unless you do it all the time, obviously, but making a straight cut with one of them, anything more than, you know, 2 feet, like a 2-foot cut, you know, because as it gets further away from you, it's damn hard to not. And then also bracing the thing that you're cutting. It's like, you know, I'm usually throwing something on top of a upside down bucket to, you know, lop a piece of a 2x4 or strapping or whatever in half. You know, and it seems like no matter how hard you like stand on it with 1 foot, lean all your weight on the top of the thing, and still as you push through it with the saw, it wants to twist or turn, you know. And then now the blade's in the kerf crooked because the kerf moves, so now it's binding the blade, and you know, that makes it grab more and push more, and it's just, you know, it's like, fuck, man, I'm just trying to, you know, I've actually taken to using one of those little, what are they called? They call them like toolbox saws or something like that, like some stupid name like that, like, yeah, like every saw goes in a toolbox, doesn't it? But it's sort of an all-purpose, it's just like a, you know, it's not real fine, but it's not, I mean, it's not like tree cutting coarse. But it's just sort of an all-purpose, and if you just want to whack a 2x4 in half, this is like the way to go, man. Because like the time it takes you to get whatever power tool you have out and set up and dick around and put some, you know, it's ridiculous. With that, you throw it over a bucket, put 1 foot on it. You know, I'm right-handed, so saw on the right hand, board on the bucket, even if it's a short one. Left foot on the board on the bucket to brace it, and you're sawing, and you're not pushing in a like I'll demonstrate this. See, this is it. Oh, you can't do better than that. Okay, here I am. About to cut it, right? So I'm cutting it with a saw, pushing this way. It wants to go like that, and I'm trying to go forward, and it's like creating a tangent. So I'm going like this. The worst that's going to happen is I'm going to lift it up or push it down. I'm not likely to push it down, and if it lifts up a little bit, I'm just, you know, get a little better purchase on it.